Good afternoon. Good afternoon, beautiful people. Good afternoon. Kumusta? Happy Friday. Yay! It's Friday again. Kumustamos? Good afternoon from Ontario, Canada. It's 1:27 PM na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope your day is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, you are having fun and enjoying life. Diba? Sometimes life give us throw us a curve, but we'll keep going. Diba? Fall down sometimes, go back up. That's life. Ganon talaga. But anyhow, I hope you guys had an amazing week. I had an amazing week, although medyo grabe ang aking allergy, but it's okay. It's doable, and we are so lucky to have services that are available to us, so which is amazing. I am grateful, and yeah, so life is good. Yes, awesome. So yeah, so anyhow, touching base with you guys, I am being with our 7 days go live challenge. So I try to, like, you know, of course, do anything, because again, if we're not going to do whatever we plan is good, but plan without action is nothing, diba? So if you plan to do something, make sure you act on it. Para magiging reality yun. Para magiging reality, and don't what do you call it one? Wag iismulin. Wag iismulin ang mga maikling hakbang na ginagawa natin every single day. Meaning small actions really create a massive success. Yun yan. So because success is not built on massive leap, like talagang super lucky, but anyhow it builds with momentum, like every single day na ginagawa natin. It doesn't matter how small it is, so long as you're doing something towards achieving your goals. That's all it takes. Because sabi nga nila, we put in 1% every single day. In a year, how many 1% did you do? O, diba? So it will compound into a massive result. So kung ano man yung goal niyo sa buhay, talagang dapat gagawin natin yan in a daily consistent basis. So yan ang topic natin today. Yan ang topic natin today. So small actions every day, basta ginagawa natin yan every single day. It doesn't matter kung wala tayong nakikitang result right now. Wag mainip, because success ay hindi yan built overnight. Hindi yan built overnight. We have to do consistent actions every single day. Yaan ang magbi-build ng success sa atin. So we build momentum. Talagang dapat kung ano man yung, for me, what I'm doing is that meron akong ginagawa na daily calendar ko, daily routine ko yan for my business, not even including for my life, because there are lots. There are appointments that just show up, you know, and coffee muna tayo. There are surprises na bigla na lang, na hindi natin, di ba, wala sa schedule natin, pero andyan yan. Every single day, meron yan, mangyayari yan sa atin, di ba? We could not plan anything. However, we do have to try to do things na talagang intentional. Yes, that's the term. You have to do it intentionally, because otherwise, kung wala ka, for me, because I'm doing this one for my business. Most of you guys na nag-follow sa akin, you know that I have a business, an online business na gino-grow ko in social media platforms. So that's why nandito ako sa Facebook to share with you guys that yes, there's an amazing opportunity out there na hindi natin alam. A lot of people still hindi nila alam. But anyhow, Marianne, thank you for watching. Anyhow, I'm here to share with you guys. So yan ang ginagawa ko. Kaya ako nagla-live sa Facebook, kaya ako nagpo-post, because I want to share with you guys this amazing opportunity na nakita ko. At so many people, so many lives na po ang na-transform dahil po sa business na ito, hindi lang po sa akin. Thank you sa aking 1 million viewers diyan. Maraming salamat. Yeah, so maraming buhay na ang na-transform dahil sa Annalie. Thank you for watching dahil po sa negosyo na ito. But anyhow, so yan yung ano ko, yan yung sinishare ko. Kaya ako nagla-live sa Facebook, kaya ako nagpo-post every single day, because yes, it is worth sharing. For me, for me, I've done my part if I can share that one, because yes, hindi ako mahihiya. Thank you sa thumbs up diyan. I am not I am not ashamed to share it, because I know there are lots of people that have already been transformed because of this business, and it is 100% legitimate. So I don't have nothing to be ashamed of. So it doesn't, for me, I'm so proud to share this one to everybody. But anyhow, yan yung ginagawa ko. So my first day, it's a 7. Good morning po. Yes, good afternoon po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Andito po ako sa Ontario, Canada, Annalie. Thank you for watching. Yeah, so anyhow, for me, I've done my the first day. It's like I just try to do something na para ma-motivate kayo guys. And yeah, so today we're talking about doing ingat po. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm doing it's hands-free, so okay lang. But anyhow, thank you. Yeah, so anyhow, for me, I have my own my own list. This is just for my online business, because at the end of the day, kung wala tayong gagawin na talagang intentional listahan, intentional thing that we are thinking of doing for the day, kung wala tayo niyaan, tendency is pagdating ng gabi, you'll be like, oh my God, I forgot to do this, I forgot to do that. That is me. So it's important for me. So yung aking daily routine na ginagawa ko for my business alone, that stands as my accountability partner. So yan yung magre-remind sa akin na yes, you still have to do this, you still have to do that. And because of course we all have life, right? We're mommies, we're busy. If we don't have anything, if wala tayong talagang intentional things that we do on how to grow our business, edi makakalimutan natin yan, di ba? So for me, it helps me a lot. So that's why I'm sharing this with you guys, because it helps me a lot. Because as a mommy, of course, ang daming gagawin, di ba? Ang daming gagawin, and I work although part-time na lang, thanks to my online business. But I still work. I teach fitness classes. Naandyan yung magpa-practice pa ako. So I am a busy mom. I'm so busy. But I don't use my business as an excuse para hindi ko magawa yung dapat kong gagawin for my business. Any small thing I try to do, like yun nga, sabi nga nila, 1% in a day. Thank you sa hearts diyan. 1% na gagawin mo every single day. Yan ang kailangan mo. Kung ano man yung goal natin sa buhay, talagang dapat, kung seryoso tayo, dapat gagawin natin yan every single day. It doesn't matter kung ano yung pakiramdam natin. It doesn't matter kung masama yung pakiramdam natin. Discipline, na andyan dapat ang discipline natin. Kasi ang discipline talaga ang talagang mag-aahon sa atin para gagawin natin kung talagang tayo ay seryoso sa ating goal sa buhay. Yes, we can do it. It doesn't matter kung busy tayo. It doesn't matter kung we're not feeling well. Those are like, we could make up a lot of excuses. We could. There are tons. But if we have discipline to do things that we say we want to do, to move us forward kung ano man yung goals natin, yes, we can. Because I have done that before. Thank you. I have my coffee. Coffee break tayo. Dati, hindi ako I am just doing this one for a few months, but I feel good. I feel good na at the end of the day, na-check ko yung ano ko, yung aking pointers kung anong gagawin ko for the day. Na andyan yun, na-check ko yan. So I feel good. That's my win. That's my win already. I can say to myself, oh yes, I put up 1%, 2% today for my business. It's not like, you know, it's like, wala yan sa, it's not counting about my daily routine already as a mom. It's not counting doon sa mga, because may mga time na talagang magpa-pop up sa atin na hindi natin inaakala. Katulad yesterday, I never thought that I'm going to emergency, but yes, I did. But everything is good, so I'm grateful. And yeah, so yan, mga katulad niyan, di ba? Kung hindi natin ililista yung dapat nating gagawin na intentional talaga na dapat nating gawin for our goals, then makakalimutan natin yan, maisasantabi natin yan. So it's very, very helpful to have, for me, that helps me a lot. So yan yung sinishare ko sa inyo guys. I hope it makes sense na, yes, so meron ako dyan every single day na ginagawa ko. And then at the end of the day, tinicheck ko yan, or in the middle of the day, tinicheck ko yan to make sure na ginagawa ko yung schedule ko na ginagawa ko sa sarili ko. So this is one thing that is great with our business as well. We can do our own schedule. We don't have the boss. We are the boss for ourselves. So, yeah, so schedule ko yun sa sarili ko na yun yung gagawin ko. Yun yung gagawin ko for my business, for my goals. Yan ang ano ko, yan ang pinapromise ko yan sa sarili ko na gagawin ko every single day, and I feel great at the end of the day kung na-check ko yan, na puro check yan. Of course, it's not perfect. It's not perfect. We are not perfect. Sometimes there are times na talagang hindi mo magawa, pero ang kalimitan sa akin na hindi ko magagawa is isa lang, and then the next day ido-double ko yan. So I'll make up for it. Yan ang ginagawa ko. And I feel good. I feel good doing that to myself. Masasabi ko na I have done things for my goals. I have done things for my routine as a mom, as an employee, as a partner, and yeah. So I feel great. So yun yung masasabi ko na at the end of the day, yes, I have a small win, I have big wins, I have like everything. Anything na na-accomplish natin sa buhay, dapat isi-celebrate natin yan because we feel great about it. We feel accomplished, di ba? Kung hindi dapat tawag nun, i-reward din natin ang sarili natin, because who will do it? Tayo din. Any goals na gagawin natin sa buhay natin, tayo din ang gagawa noon. Walang other people na gagawa noon kung hindi tayo. So yeah, so anyhow, I hope it makes sense. Basta yung sa akin is yun ang ginagawa ko. If it will help you guys, make a list of the things that, kung ano man yung goal nyo, kasi pagka titingnan natin ang goal natin, kalimitan ang goal natin is massive. Malaki yan talagang ano. Pag yan ang tinitingnan natin, paano ko ba gagawin to, ma-overwhelm tayo, di ba? So break it down to the small things. Monthly, daily, diyan mo maa-achieve ang goals mo. Especially the daily habit. Kasi yan ang ginagawa ko na yan. Maybe I'm doing this one for at least 5 or 6 months. And I feel great. And talagang, tawag nun, kahit na wala akong nakikita na, of course, I have my success every single day, but kahit na hindi ko nakikita na yung massive na talagang success na gusto ko, I'm still doing it because I know that is the most important ingredient so I can achieve my bigger goals. So yun ang ginagawa ko. So it doesn't matter if I don't see any result in a day, I don't see any result in a couple of days, it doesn't matter because I know someday it will give me a massive result. Diba? Pero kung wala kang gagawin, anong aantayin mo? Wala. Diba? Whereas if you are doing something small every single day, may aantayin ka. You are looking forward for something to happen because you know you have put in the work. You are doing your job. You are doing your best to achieve your goals. Whereas kung natutulog ka lang, kung pinibigyan mo lang ng excuses yung mga goals mo, kung nag-scroll ka lang sa social media platform without any intention, without any purpose, then what goals would you accomplish kung wala kang ginagawa? Right? 1% every day. 1% every day, that's all you take. That's all it takes. If you can do more, great. If not, at least 1% is good. Right? So, yeah. So, I hope it makes sense, guys. So, yun lang po ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo. If it will help you, then, because it did help me, it helps me, and I'm doing it every single day. And, yeah, so you can adjust it anytime because, of course, you're the boss. Of course, I'm doing my schedule. As long as I'm doing it for my business, and I know that it will contribute to my goals, I'm happy. So yes, that's the most important thing. If you're happy, if you feel good of what you're doing, that's a success for you. Right? So yeah, so anyhow, I hope it makes sense. Thank you friends, thank you for watching. Maraming salamat mga kapatid. Thank you for watching. Hindi na po ako magtatagal, so I will touch base with you again tomorrow. Another episode of aking Go Live Challenge. So hopefully na-inspire ko kayo guys. And if you would like to get some information about sa aking online business na ginagawa ko, my website is in my business page. All you have to do, sign up with your name and email address, at ang aming back office na po ang bahala no magpadala sa inyo ng information na kailangan nyo. So yes, maraming salamat again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Ingat po. Enjoy the rest of your Friday and happy weekend na. And yes, so maraming salamat. Ingat po and God bless.